Brisbane Airport.
So excited.
Train.
Fucking freezing!
Well, this is just to confirm that the struggle is real. Look at the suitcase. Are we having... Well, that's... Yeah. That's the suitcase. That's ridiculous. And is that all got to go in there still?
No.
Bullshit. Are you fucking shitting me?
Oh, jeez.
Look at all that food there.
Oh, fuck off.
What do you mean, fuck off?
Oh, that's heavy.
G'day legends, Scott from Gen Explorers. Well, there's been a change to my travel partner. Diane's walking around Africa somewhere, so I brought my 21-year-old daughter, Sinead, along on this trip. So it's going to be pretty interesting. As you can see, we're at the departure area, Brisbane Airport.
Headed to Tokyo.
Heading to Tokyo. Plenty of good stuff's going to happen, I'll tell you right now. So keep a lookout. So here is Sinead at duty free. It's like a kid. It's like a kid in the candy shop. She's
I'll grab one of these.
on the 43. That's nice, but not as nice as Cointreau. So you're looking at about $65 a Cointreau.
Holy, look
Here's
how
a
big
litre.
these bottles are.
How big's that?
They come in like the small little ones usually. A litre.
Frangelico. Still not that cheap. Like, it's cheap.
A litre as well.
Well, duty free has definitely gone up in price over the last 20 years. It was at least half the price of what you'd pay in the normal bottle shops. But these days, only specials you're really getting are the 2 for $65 or the 3 for $95, and you're just getting your lower entry brands. And when we get to Japan tonight, we'll take you into some of the local, just even the 7-Elevens, and the prices will be a fraction of what we're seeing here at duty free. Okay, so we're about to board the plane for Tokyo. I just want to ask a really big favour from all of you that are watching this. Can you please subscribe to our channel? It allows us to go to more countries and give you more videos. So just hit that subscribe button and please comment as well. Thank you. Legroom position. Even Kenny there under the hood. So we've got a little bit of legroom here. A bit better than normal. But yeah, a lot of shit to put away. Sinead don't look so excited. What size is it? Read your prayer.
So, we got main meals, fruit, salad, entree, main course, sweet endings, sweet treats, and
What they dinner? We can just save that money and buy vodka. What is it?
cutlery, cake, lollies, tea, whatever the fuck that is. I'm not gonna eat whatever the fuck that is that I'm not gonna eat.
What do you mean?
Fruit, crackers, whatever the fuck that is. Look at that.
It's couscous.
What the fuck?
Couscous.
And more fruit. It's just 5-star, guys. Couldn't get any better than this.
I'm pretty excited.
So excited.
Take the foil off.
Surprise! It's yummy, yummy, yummy tuna. What the fuck? I actually don't know what that is.
Chicken.
Is that?
Chicken.
Is that chicken?
Yeah. What's the menu say? days, so it's 5:30 at night. We've just landed. Little tip: if your plane seats are 23, it's right behind business class, but it's where they put all the babies. So be very careful.
Fucking go there.
Be very careful. Be very careful sitting in 23 row.
How many guys say, brother?
It's all right, mate. Yeah, well, here we are. We're waiting for the Skyliner for the mission. We don't know what's going on. My card didn't work. I'm not sure it's activated or not. But hey, his card works.
Mine did.
That whole half a tile made such a big difference. So we're so much closer to our destination. We could have taken our time a little bit more, but we just wanted to get the hell out of here. Oh, they're written on it. That's 3 and that's 2 there. Okay.
Did you not see that?
No.
I thought you saw that.
I saw the numbers up here. I'm going
Oh,
1.
I was looking at them on the thing.
I didn't see that.
I thought you saw them.
No, I didn't see shit.
Oh, I should have said something.
Yeah, you probably should have. Awesome work.
This train is the Gateway Skyliner. Passengers will meet on Skyliner.
So our ticket was about $25 each to get to Uno. We go from Uno, then we go to Nagano. Hopefully. What do you think, Sinead?
Fucking freezing!
Yeah, it's snowing. We're in Tokyo and we got fucking snow. Pretty sure we go this way. Oh yeah, Uno, over there. I've done this before. Many years ago. 4 years ago. Yeah, done this before. Got it all under control. I just put a jumper on. It's a bit cold. Hey GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop.
So we're walking around the streets of Tokyo right now. Fucking freezing. Dragging along my suitcase in snow. I think it's like -10 degrees. Oh, alcohol, Dad?
You want it?
Yeah. We're going in for some alcohol.
Well, here we are. Just on their way at the Shinkansen. Got about half an hour to spare. It wasn't too bad. I couldn't see the Shinkansen signs, but look what we have here. We got -196s, and we've got the Kirin equivalents. So we're going to get a few of these and a good train ride.
Are we a bit lost now?
Yes.
We're at the train station and we have no fucking idea where to go. So this is going to be a long fun night. This happens every time we get to Japan. So it looks like we're going to be walking to the train station trying to find our way.
So I've got a pretty serious escalator here. It goes all the way up.
Got the drinks.
Got the drinks. Get on the Shinkansen now. Hopefully we're going the right direction. This does ring a bell. I remember going down this escalator a couple of times. It's a pretty big one, before I remember it. bit of intrepidation that we got a little bit lost. Signs aren't best signposted at the moment, but not too bad. So we're going from 19. It doesn't say Nagano, but it does not say it either. So we'll find out soon enough. So we have arrived in the land of the vending machines. So we've just found our first couple of train stations here. Got your basic staples, of course, your water, black coffee, and here we have Haagen-Dazs ice cream vending machine. How cool is that? But yeah, I don't really feel like eating ice cream when it's snowing. Okay, so we landed in Tokyo about 5:30 at Narita Airport. We caught the Skyliner from the airport to Uno. That was about $25 Australian. And then we got tickets here in Uno for the Shinkansen, which is taking us up to Nagano, which was about $75. That takes about an hour, I think, so we've got a few drinks. It's a bit colder than expected. There's snow outside, as you saw before. Right. So here we have our Shinkansen, crazy looking train. Riding along. Yes, well, we're on the Shinkansen. Sinead, what do you think?
We finally made it.
Yeah, almost there. Everyone's not very excited. They're all coming home from work, so they're not on holidays like us. So, what do you got? What do you got in the bag there, Sinead?
Welcome on board the Hokuto Shinkansen. This is a Hakutake Super Express bound for Kanazawa via
Boom!
Goodies.
with stops at Omiya, Takasaki,
Crack it for me.
Kaizawa, Sakudaira, Ueda, Nagano,
These are the Kirin, 5%.
Itoigawa, Kurobe Unazuki Onsen, Koyama, Shintakaoka, and Kanazawa.
And zero sugar. Awesome stuff.
Board cars marked as non-reserved.
Sake. Actually reminds me of the story when I first came to Japan back in 2006.
Anywhere from $50 to $60 back home, $16.